So do you guys remember when we were doing magnets, we talked and learned about Woolly Willy, Miss Veronica's favorite activity when we do magnets? Well, this experiment is very, very similar to Woolly Willy. And instead of using magnets, though, a magnetic charge, we are going to use static electricity. So for this experiment, you're going to need a balloon. You're going to have to blow it up and tie it off. You are going to need some kind of marker if you have a Sharpie or something, because we are going to be drawing on the balloon. You are going to need a spoon. You are going to need a plate. You are going to need some pepper, and you are going to need some salt. So all we're going to do is first you're going to have your balloon. You're going to blow it up. You're going to tie it off. When it's done, you are going to draw a face on it. So you are going to take your marker, and you are going to draw two eyes. Just nice and easy. However you want to make it, take your time. You're going to draw a nose and then a big happy mouth, because my balloon is a happy fellow. All right, so when you are done drawing your face, you're going to put your balloon to the side. Next, we are going to put about a spoonful of pepper and a spoonful of salt onto our plate, and then we're just going to kind of swirl it together so it mixes up. So open up your pepper. Okay, a nice spoonful. Just kind of scatter it all over. And pepper does have a very strong smell. And also some salt. Again, you only need about a spoonful. There it goes. And you just kind of pour it on top. And then take your spoon and just kind of swirl the two together, because we want to make sure it's nice and mixed. All right, when you're done, put your spoon to your side. Make sure everything is out of elbow room in case you knock anything over, and we're ready to start. So we talked about static electricity is a buildup of negative charges. Everything is made up of charges, positive and negative, and when two objects rub together, remember, the loose electrons will actually jump from one item to another, and we'll leave something with a negative charge, and we'll leave the other item with a positive charge. So for this, we are going to build up a charge by rubbing the balloon's face onto, or actually the bottom of his face, because what we're going to do is we're going to try and give him hair and a beard. So you're going to either do the top or the bottom. So I'm going to start with the bottom, and I'm going to rub the bottom on my shirt. And as I'm doing that, the balloon is stealing the electrons from my shirt and is jumping onto the balloon, making it negatively charged. Now the salt and the pepper, they have a neutral charge. So what should happen is, as soon as the negatively charged balloon goes near the pepper, we should start seeing it traveling up to the balloon and sticking that static charge. So let's see. Look at that. Can you guys see? Did you hear how crazy it was when it was jumping up? And same thing. Now when you do this, because it's already on there, be very, very careful. Rub the top of the balloon again on your shirt. And again, look at that. My guy is in desperate need of a shave because he's got a very stubbly beard and he's got some nice hair going on up here. So have fun with this activity. See if you can make different parts of your balloon's face extra hairy from using the salt and the pepper. If you do look and you notice, there are more pieces of pepper than there are salt, and the reason for that is because the pepper is lighter and it takes less force for it to jump up. The salt is a little heavier, so while you might see some, you'll definitely see more pepper. But have fun with this experiment. Try a couple of different versions and see what ways can you get more pepper and salt to jump up? What ways is it less? And just, like I said, have a lot of fun. All right, we'll see you in a little bit for another fun activity. I can't wait to show you what's next.